Tired of slow cooking and kitchen mess? These hand-picked Amazon gadgets are smart solutions designed to save time, reduce hassle, and make everyday cooking easier. All product links are in the description below. Number 1. Chihee Grease Container. This is a smart kitchen container designed to safely store and filter used cooking grease without mess. It helps keep your kitchen cleaner and more organized. It reduces waste, prevents clogged drains, keeps countertops cleaner, is easy to use, reusable for daily cooking, and delivers a simple solution to messy grease disposal. Number 2. Laudlife Food Warming Mat. This is a smart warming mat designed to keep food hot and ready to serve for longer periods. It heats evenly and works great for family meals, parties, and gatherings. It saves reheating time, keeps food warm for hours, reduces kitchen hassle, is easy to use, adds serving convenience, and delivers a smart solution to cold meals and busy dinner setups. Number 3. Furnizone Glass Syrup Dispenser Set. This is a stylish glass dispenser set designed for pouring syrup, honey, or sauces smoothly without spills. It keeps your kitchen cleaner and more organized. It reduces mess, improves portion control, is easy to refill, adds convenience to daily use, and delivers a smart solution to sticky bottles and messy pouring. Number 4. The HOOBRO Kitchen Island, a compact rolling kitchen storage and workspace solution. It adds storage, gives extra counter space, reduces clutter, improves organization, and makes the kitchen more functional. Number 5. The KitchenAid Gourmet Multi-Sided Meat Tenderizer, a simple kitchen tool designed to make meat softer and easier to cook. It helps tenderize meat quickly, reduces cooking time, improves texture, makes food more flavorful, and ensures even cooking for better meal results. Number 6. The Lonicera Digital Cooking Thermometer, a precise kitchen tool designed to check food temperature instantly. It ensures perfect cooking every time, prevents undercooked or overcooked food, improves food safety, gives accurate temperature readings, and makes cooking meat, baking, and grilling easier and more reliable. It also removes guesswork and helps you cook like a pro every time. Number 7. The Consciot CB08 11-piece blender for kitchen, a powerful multifunction blender designed for smoothies, shakes, and food prep. It blends fruits and vegetables in seconds, saves time in daily cooking, handles multiple kitchen tasks, reduces manual effort, and makes healthy drinks and recipes easy to prepare at home. Number 8. The Ioion Magnetic Knife Block, a modern kitchen storage solution designed to keep knives organized, visible, and safely stored. It keeps knives easily accessible, saves counter space, improves kitchen safety, prevents blade damage, and adds a clean, stylish look to your kitchen setup. It also helps maintain hygiene and keeps your kitchen more organized and efficient. Number 9. The Greener Chef Bamboo Cutting Board Set of 3, a durable kitchen essential for safe and organized food prep. It provides separate boards for meat, vegetables, and fruits, prevents cross-contamination, protects countertops, is knife-friendly, and makes food prep cleaner and more efficient. Number 10. The Stock Your Home Liter Glass Milk Bottles, a reusable and stylish storage solution designed for milk, juices, and beverages. It keeps drinks fresh longer, reduces plastic waste, is easy to clean and reuse, prevents spills with secure caps, and adds a clean, organized look to your fridge and kitchen. Number 11. The Cambom Rotary Cheese Grater, $29. A fast and efficient kitchen tool designed for easy grating and slicing. It grates cheese, vegetables, and nuts in seconds, reduces hand effort, improves food prep speed, is safer than traditional graters, and makes cooking easier and more convenient. It also minimizes mess and gives consistent, even results every time. Number 12. The CnGlass Glass Teapot, $24. A stylish and heat-resistant teapot designed for brewing tea in a clean and elegant way. It lets you see the brewing process, ensures even steeping, is easy to clean, preserves tea flavor, and makes tea preparation more enjoyable and visually appealing. It also adds a premium look to your kitchen and enhances the overall tea experience. Number 13. The Pgyard Meat Chopper, $8. A simple and efficient kitchen tool designed for fast meat grinding and breaking. It breaks and chops meat quickly, reduces cooking effort, ensures even texture, saves time in food preparation, and makes cooking minced meat dishes easier and more convenient. It also helps cook food more evenly and improves overall cooking efficiency. Number 14. The Turelar Immersion Blender, $32. A powerful handheld blender for quick blending and mixing. It blends soups, sauces, and smoothies directly in the pot, saves time, reduces effort, handles multiple tasks, and makes cooking faster and easier. Number 15. The WhiteRhino Glass Pickle Jar, $18. A durable and airtight storage solution designed for pickles, sauces, and dry foods. It keeps food fresh for longer, prevents leakage and odor, is easy to clean and reuse, improves kitchen organization, and makes food storage more hygienic and convenient. It also ensures long-lasting freshness and keeps your kitchen neatly organized. Number 16. The Consciot Magnetic Plastic Wrap Dispenser, $20. A smart kitchen organizer designed for easy and mess-free food wrapping. It cuts plastic wrap neatly, prevents tangles and waste, saves time in food storage, keeps wraps organized, and makes kitchen prep faster, cleaner, and more efficient. It also improves convenience and reduces daily kitchen hassle. Number 17. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker, $19. A compact kitchen appliance designed for fast and effortless egg cooking. It cooks eggs quickly and evenly, saves time during busy mornings, removes guesswork from cooking, is easy to use and clean, and makes breakfast preparation faster and more convenient. It also delivers consistent results every time with minimal effort. Number 18. The Ioion Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, $19. A modern kitchen tool designed for quick and effortless seasoning. It grinds spices automatically with one hand, saves cooking time, provides consistent seasoning, reduces manual effort, and adds convenience and a premium touch to your kitchen experience. It also improves cooking efficiency and makes meal preparation faster and easier. Number 19. The ComSaf 32-ounce glass storage containers, $22. A durable and reusable storage solution designed to keep food fresh and organized. It stores meals securely, keeps food fresh longer, prevents leaks and spills, reduces plastic use, and makes meal prep and fridge organization cleaner and more convenient. It also improves kitchen storage efficiency and supports healthier food organization. Number 20. The Zar Sink Drain Strainer, $9. A simple kitchen essential designed to prevent food waste from clogging your sink. It catches food particles effectively, helps prevent drain blockages, keeps the sink cleaner, reduces cleaning hassle, and improves kitchen hygiene for everyday use. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Amazon finds and smart kitchen gadgets.